Hello, I'm Sebastian. Welcome to Nine Knot Trees Podcast. Today I will summarize and review the book, A Random Walk Down Wall Street, The Best Investment Guide That Money Can Buy, 13th edition, by Burton G. Malkiel, is an essential beacon for novice investors and seasoned professionals alike. Malkiel, a Princeton economist, presents a compelling argument for the benefits of long-term investment strategies over attempts at stock market timing and quick wins. This latest edition encompasses up-to-date financial advice, reflecting on the shifts in the market landscape, technological advancements, and the emergence of cryptocurrencies. Malkiel's foundational premise is that asset prices exhibit the same properties as a random walk, meaning that future steps or directions cannot be predicted based on past history. With this as a cornerstone, he dismantles the myth of expert stock forecasting and highlights the superiority of a well-diversified portfolio. I will give you key takeaways from this book. Firstly, the concept of the random walk, Malkiel's A Random Walk Down Wall Street, introduces the concept of the random walk to explain the stock market's unpredictability. This theory posits that stock market prices evolve according to a random walk and therefore cannot be accurately predicted in the short term. Malkiel argues that the price of stocks follows a random path that reflects all current knowledge, rendering attempts to outperform the market through short-term trading essentially a fool's errand. This challenges traditional approaches to investing and stock picking. By dissecting various historical trends and academic studies, Malkiel demonstrates the futility of trying to forecast stock movements and the potential for such endeavors to do more harm than good to an investor's portfolio. Secondly, the impact of psychological factors. Malkiel does not strictly confine his discussion to mathematical principles. He also delves into the psychology behind investing. A Random Walk Down Wall Street explores how cognitive biases and emotional responses can lead investors astray. He covers a range of psychological phenomena, such as overconfidence and herd mentality, illustrating how these can cause market inefficiencies. Malkiel argues that by understanding these psychological factors, investors can better equip themselves against making irrational decisions based on market noise or the actions of the majority. This topic provides a comprehensive look into behavioral finance, showcasing the significant impact of human psychology on financial markets and the importance of maintaining a disciplined approach to investing. Thirdly, effective portfolio management. One of Malkiel's core tenets in A Random Walk Down Wall Street is the importance of a well-diversified portfolio for long-term investment success. He champions the use of index funds as a means of achieving diversification, reducing risk, and maximizing returns over the long haul. Malkiel argues that because active fund management often fails to beat the market consistently after accounting for fees and taxes, investors are better off with passively managed investments. He provides insightful guidance on constructing a portfolio that's diversified across asset classes, sectors, and geographies to shield investors from volatility and improve their chances of investment success. Malkiel's advice is backed by empirical evidence and practical examples, making a compelling case for simplicity and diversification in investment strategy. Fourthly, evaluating new investment opportunities in keeping with the times. The 13th edition of A Random Walk Down Wall Street also addresses the intrigue and complexities of modern investment options, like cryptocurrencies and fintech innovations. Malkiel offers a balanced perspective on evaluating such new investment opportunities. He urges investors to apply the same principles of skepticism, thorough analysis, and diversification when considering these novel assets. Drawing from historical examples, Malkiel cautions against the lure of quick profits and highlights the risk of speculative bubbles. Though he acknowledges the potential of these new technologies, he stresses the importance of understanding their underlying value and market position before making investment decisions. Lastly, the role of tax considerations. Tax considerations play a crucial role in investment strategy, a point that Malkiel emphasizes throughout A Random Walk Down Wall Street. The author discusses how taxes can erode investment returns and suggests strategies for tax-efficient investing. This includes choosing tax-efficient investment vehicles like ETFs and index funds, and understanding the tax implications of buying, holding, and selling assets. Malkiel also delves into strategies like tax loss harvesting and the selection of tax-advantaged accounts such as Roth IRAs and 401(k)s. By incorporating these tax considerations into an overall investment strategy, Malkiel provides readers with a framework for maximizing after-tax returns, further illustrating his holistic approach to long-term investing. In conclusion, A Random Walk Down Wall Street, The Best Investment Guide That Money Can Buy, by Burton G. Malkiel, is an indispensable guide for anyone interested in navigating the complexities of the financial markets. Whether you're a novice looking to make your first investment or a seasoned investor seeking to refine your strategies, Malkiel's insights provide a solid foundation for making informed decisions. The book is particularly beneficial for those who value a disciplined, long-term approach to investing, offering evidence-based advice on building and maintaining a diversified portfolio. By blending economic theory with practical investing advice and addressing psychological factors and tax considerations, Malkiel equips readers with the tools to achieve financial stability and growth. His methodical debunking of market myths and emphasis on rational decision-making make this book a timeless resource in an ever-evolving financial landscape. If you would like to support Burton G. Malkiel, you can buy the book through the Amazon link I've provided in the podcast description. After reading the book, please let me know what you think and share your thoughts. See you around.